Hello everyone, let's play a game. How to play? You will guess a word from an object. You can be given an incomplete word as a clue. About the rules, the word is missing. D, E, question mark, R. The missing word is E. So the answer is eat. So let's start the video. Find the word. What animal is this? E-U-K. Kindly complete the word. And the word is, this is a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Find the word. What animal is this? K-A-G-A-O. Find the missing word. The answer is kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Find the word. What animal is this? A. Fill in the blanks. A-L and fill in the blanks. The answer is, this is a koala. K-O-A-L-A, koala. Thank you for playing this game. See you next time. Take